Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you installation of Kali Linux into virtual machine. So before getting started installation, first we need to download Kali Linux operating system from official website of Kali. Here you can see https link of Kali Linux downloadable page. Here you can see download button. If you want to download from HTTP, just click on this HTTP button, or if you want to torrent file, just click on torrent. So here 64-bit operating system available and 32-bit operating system is also available. Here you need to download this version Kali Linux 64-bit. Just click on HTTP. It will start the downloading process of the Kali Linux operating system. But I have already downloaded Kali Linux operating system into D drive of my laptop. Here you can see I have already downloaded Kali Linux operating system into D drive. So now we need to create virtual machine into VMware workstation. So first click on file menu, select new virtual machine, keep typical setting, click on next. Select I will install the operating system later and click on next. Here you need to select Linux distribution, drop down the version menu, find Debian Linux, select Debian 9x 64-bit, click on next. Because Kali Linux is a Debian based distribution, give virtual machine name. I am giving Kali Linux for demo as the name of this virtual machine. Define the path where you want to install this virtual machine. I will install this virtual machine into D drive of my machine. Select VHD folder and give name of the folder. And now just click on next. Define the disk size of this virtual machine. I will assign of 60 GB of hard drive to this virtual machine. Click on next and click on finish. Now click on the CD DVD option. Select use ISO image file, click on browse button. Select D drive and click on this Kali Linux image file. Make sure you have sufficient memory. I have assigned 4 GB of memory to this virtual machine. Now click on power on this virtual machine. Here we need to select graphical install and give enter. Select default setting, keep English, continue. Select United States, continue. You can select your location also. I am from India, so I will select India and then click on continue. Keep keyboard setting default, American English, continue. Give host name for this virtual machine like lab PC1. Click on continue. Click on continue. Define password of root user. confirm the password and click on continue. Keep default setting, use entire disk, click on continue. Select your virtual hard drive and click on continue. Keep default setting, all file in one partition, click on continue. Again continue. Click on yes, continue. Select no, click on continue. Keep default setting here, yes, continue. Select hard drive /dev/sda, click on continue. Installation has been completed, click on continue. Operating system has been restarted. Installation has been completed successfully. Now we need to log in with root user. Give password of root. Password is wrong. So here you can see installation has been completed successfully. Hope you understand how you can install Kali Linux operating system into VMware workstation. So thank you for watching this video.